mean, this idea that you can create something from nothing, that you can have an idea, build it and make it real, is something I've always loved.
The first time I can remember thinking about starting a company was when I was an undergraduate student at MIT.
I wasn't thinking of myself as an entrepreneur at that time, but looking back, that's definitely where that seed was planted.
MIT is an amazing place to become an entrepreneur.
It is a hotbed of encouragement and catalyzing energy.
There's so many alumni who've started companies who are still in the area.
So that when you see others doing it, it demystifies this idea that founding businesses is something that other people do.
All those things that MIT taught me just keep giving back to me every day.
There's so many amazing entrepreneurial stories among our alumni. We want to tell those stories and bring those stories to our students. And through the Founders Journey class and through building networks, we want to cultivate faster and more effective cycles of learning around entrepreneurship and around career development.
So I love engaging with these students, seeing the fire in their belly and how excited they are to taking their research out of the lab and into the real world. You know, so much of this has been done before, and so I want them to understand that this is a well-trod path, and so they don't need to reinvent everything.
In MECI, we hope to cultivate entrepreneurial thinking of new ways to maximize impact of the research our students are doing, and also a greater awareness of the challenges and problems in the outside world that we should be solving in our labs. And hopefully that will inspire a next generation, a greater generation of MECI entrepreneurs in the future.
I grew iRobot from my living room to a billion-dollar public company, and that was an adventure. We sent our robots to Afghanistan, and ultimately a robot we built called the PackBot saved thousands of lives. We launched the Roomba, and we actually explored the Great Pyramid in Giza live on television.
Aeroshield for me really represents the opportunity to have this positive impact on the world. What we uncovered was a material that for the first time could bring super insulation. It also offered transparency, actually more transparent than glass.
I've worked on CAD software for 44 years straight. CAD is sort of a meta product design. We're designing a product that other people use to design products, and that's just really cool to me.
As I was finishing up the master's degree, 3D printing was a field I was really excited about, and I thought there was an opportunity to build something new there. It's hard for me to imagine a better first 13 years of my career.
A lot of big companies are doing new things, but startups are always doing new things.
There's a lot of emotional ups and downs, and like every week you get a new piece of news that either is suddenly the best thing you've ever heard or the worst thing you've ever heard.
It's certainly a challenge, but it's also an exciting challenge.
A startup is a place where there's lots of problems to solve.
Things are evolving really quickly, and it's a lot of fun.
It's a journey of sacrifice, it's a journey of making choices, but it's also a journey of dreams and imagination and fulfillment and creation.
We have the, I'd say, freedom to find the best problem to solve and to continue to seek the best way to solve that problem, but to learn along the way.
Do you feel like you've left an enduring mark on the world?
I thought, hey, the world could use this software. It'll be a better place with the software that I envisioned. And you set out to build it, and then you find out if the world really does need it or not.
You don't have to know everything to start. You just have to know that this is what you want to do and just get started.
But nobody knows for sure when they start a company whether it's going to be successful or not. You know, if there was a way of knowing for sure, then there wouldn't be all these classes in entrepreneurship. They'd just tell you the secret. You know, there's always risk. Visions and hallucinations, they look and feel the same. You only find out which is which once you really try to realize them.